Honor just launched the Magic V5 Foldable, and a new leak suggests that it's preparing for the second generation flip-style foldable Magic V Flip 2 with few modest updates in tow. According to latest specification that has been surfaced, the Magic V Flip 2 is expected to have a 6.8-inch Full HD plus LTPO OLED main display along with a 4-inch external cover display. The internal display also supports LTPO, which should allow adaptive refresh rate needed to improve efficiency. Under the hood will be a Snapdragon 8 series sub-flagship chipset. The exact chipset is not confirmed. This likely pointed will be a Snapdragon 8s Gen 4, which tends to land just below the mainline 8 Elite in performance but with lower cost and thermal output. For imaging, it will use a dual camera setup. That will be a 50 megapixel primary sensor with OIS, likely using a 1 by 1.5 inch type sensor. There is no word in the secondary lens, but will be an ultra wide, that's confirmed. The most notable upgrade will be the battery. The leak mentions 5500 approximate battery. If that true, it will be the biggest clamshell foldable battery. The first generation V Flip came at 4800 cell. The recently launched Xiaomi Mi Mix Flip 2 has a 5165 milliampere battery, while the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 will have a 4300 milliampere battery. The charging speed is expected to be 66 watt or possibly 80 watt depending on the final configuration. It is expected that the Magic V Flip 2 will come out in August. According to leaker digital chat station, only Huawei, Xiaomi and Honor will release the flip phone this year, while Oppo and Vivo are going to sit out, and Xiaomi is not launching the book style foldable this year.